Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore eBay inventory using store upload templates, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your eBay inventory using store upload templates, start by logging into your eBay seller account. Navigate to the Selling tab on the top menu. In the drop-down, select Active Listings. Locate the listings you want to restore from your inventory. Click on Edit next to each listing to review their details. Next, prepare your store upload template by downloading it from eBay's Seller Hub. Open the template in a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Match the columns in your template to the details of the listings you want to restore. Ensure all required fields are filled in, such as title, description, price, and quantity. If you need to add images, make sure to host them on a site that allows direct linking. Copy the image URLs into the appropriate column in your template. Save your completed template as a CSV file, which is compatible with eBay. Return to your eBay seller account and navigate to the Listings section once again. Select Upload and then choose Store Upload. Upload the CSV file you just saved by following the prompts. Review any validation errors that may appear on the screen. Fix any errors in your template and re-upload if needed. Once your file is successfully uploaded, eBay will process your listings. Check back in your active listings to confirm that your inventory has been restored. Make any necessary final adjustments to your listings as needed. Congratulations, your eBay inventory is now restored using store upload templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.